Hello darlings, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today we are in a truly unique and beautiful location right here in Calasparra, which is a beautiful town and municipality located in the northern part of Murcia, just right here. Beautiful part of Spain. We are actually in a location that crosses 4 rivers, and so we are surrounded by mountains and green fields as far as the eye can see. Today I'm going to be showing you a modern development that comprises of 250 houses. They actually have built beautiful villas that are a stunning price also. They are on single story on plots starting from 546 square meters, and the house itself is 118 square meters. They offer 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and are just ready to move into. So let's start the tour. Hello, as I come in off the pedestrian entrance, I am immediately entering onto the grounds of the property. This would be your electric automatic gate for your vehicle, and this is the expanse of the driveway that you can have to park your vehicles. Bear in mind as well that it would actually be very easy if you're wanting to install a car park or even have a garage in this area of the living space. But we're now going to show you around the actual outdoor spaces that the home get to enjoy. After all, this particular villa is on a plot of 546 square meters, and you find that the gardens perimeter the home. They've decided to go with minimal maintenance garden, and so what you have is gravelled areas as well as artificial lawn that form the actual garden space where you do your sun lounging or just lounging, relaxing, and it's all overlooking the swimming pool. Here we have a swimming pool that is rectangular and is 7 by 3. You have stairs that lead down on one side, and you also have a gradual sloped deeper end on the other. Onto the left side of this swimming pool you can see there is an outdoor shower for the comfort of the swimmers, and I really like the fact that the architectural design of the home, all of the rooms border beautifully the outdoor gardens and terraces, so you get to see your gardens from the inside but also access them as well. What I also like is that you find that all the rooms are filled with this amazing sunshine and heat. Right here I'm stood in the outdoor lounging spot and also the partially roofed outdoor dining area. So now I'm going to take you all the way back round so we can perimeter the home. And the surrounding landscape as well is just beautiful around here. It's a very peaceful location with mountains and fields. And this brings us directly to the front door of the home. Hello. So as I come in through the main entrance, the front door, this is the entry hall. And in the entry hall, you have your intercom system. You also have your integrated wardrobe here for your personal items, and this doorway which leads to the other part of the home. The configuration in this space is very nicely done in the sense that you have your daytime, which I'm going to show you, which is your living areas in the daytime, and then the nighttime. So as I'm coming in through the spacious entry hall, it brings me into the open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. This space altogether is 47 square meters, and you find that in the living area itself, the ceiling height is 3.3 meters. Throughout the rest of the home, as it is single story, it is 2.5 meters. But the sensation of light and space as you enter the home is really nice. So this area first, I'm in the kitchen, and this is a very simple modern kitchen. How they've decided to integrate it here is with the central island in the middle. You also have here your boiler as well as your washing machine underneath. And then you also have here, for example, where your counter spaces are and your storage, your dishwasher, kitchen sink, your electric hob with your extractor underneath, integrated cabinetry top and bottom, and also your electrical appliances like your oven and your domestic goods like your refrigerator and freezer. Now, your appliances are actually included within the actual budget for the home, but I will say that what they are happy to do, as the developer has said, is they can customise your kitchen. So if you do not want a central island in this area and you would prefer a peninsula instead, you could have that. Also, the colour palette as well is changeable. Now, coming into the dining space, we get a sense of seamlessness, and this is a dining space with a table set to dine 6. I do love the way all of the living space overlooks these huge aluminium doors that slide open completely and give you full integration of your outdoor gardens and terrace with the interior. And then it leads on to your open living room, which is very cosy and also rather spacious with this large sectional. So now I'm going to take you from the daytime, my loves, to the nighttime space. These are where the bedroom quarters are, and the home has like the shape of what you would imagine an L to be. So first of all, I'm going to take you to the main bathroom, which you can see has a similar palette of grey and white like the rest of the home, and it is fully equipped. Going along the hall some more, I love the way that they've illuminated the space with big windows in all the areas of the house. Gives you a sense of not only your gardens but your surroundings. You are now coming into the first bedroom. This bedroom is 10 square meters. It is light and bright. You have on one side your open patio doors that give you access to the swimming pool and gardens, and also your integrated wardrobes. Within all of the rooms, you do have pre-installation of air conditioning and also an air filtration system to keep the air nice. And so now going into the second bedroom, it has a similar feel. It is 10 square meters, again has patio doors on one side and your integrated wardrobes on the other. Going towards the end of the hall is where they have the primary suite. The primary suite altogether is 20 square meters. It has been divided up into a really nice bedroom space where you will have your bed, views of your garden through your patio doors, and lots of space to just, well, feel like you're living that beautiful sunny life. Now, as you come out of the bedroom space though, you do have what is a walk-in closet dressing nook that leads really nicely onto the his and her ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bathroom is also fully equipped. I just wanted to take a minute to go through the list of specifications that are included with the villas here in Calasparra. I think that the specifications that are included with the price are very good, considering the price point also. So it has a 7 by 3.5 swimming pool with outdoor shower, a garden area with artificial grass and the rest finished in white gravel to keep it minimum maintenance, exterior and interior LED lighting and perimeter lighting, TV points in all rooms and fibre optic in the living room, electric blinds in all of the bedrooms, an intercom, sanitary appliances which would include your white goods, LED mirror and a fixed screen for your bathroom, finished fitted wardrobes with drawers, fitted kitchen with siltstone countertop and front appliances, oven, ceramic hob, extractor hood and dishwasher would be included. And as you saw in the kitchen that I showed you, in this particular show home, the property has been changed ever so slightly. So you saw us feature the boiler and the washing machine in the kitchen. In the other homes that they are actually under construction at the moment, they are creating a completely separate laundry room where you will have a door that opens and you will have a space dedicated to the washing machine and the boiler. Also, in the laundry room you will have a sink with a cabinet underneath. The washing machine will be in there, as well as your aerothermal heater. The sliding windows that are high security, double glazed and anti-glare. Pre-installation of air conditioning through ducts with return grills, and a parking space with the artificial grass lawn, perimeter wall with fence and artificial hedge. It's great, isn't it? Calasparra has an incredible history that goes all the way back to the Bronze Age. But what's interesting about Calasparra is, and many people might not realise this, it's an amazing place to get your rice from. Now they are, and have been for centuries, great producers of rice, and the rice apparently has a distinct taste to it because it's actually been cultivated with spring water. So I'm going to be going to find myself a bag of this amazing local rice because I am a rice lover. But outside of that, this is quite interesting that you find a blend of two tales of the past and also the future. You see in this square interesting architectural designed buildings, and they're dotted around the actual old town of Calasparra as well as the historical monuments. But what's really nice is that all the while it's a very peaceful town and you're nestled in amongst agricultural fields and mountains that surround you. So the nitty gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €400 per year. The community fee is a small fee, which is €17 per month. And this would include having the streets maintained and also having a 24-hour surveillance within this community. And then the refuse is €150 per year. This is a great family home if you're wanting to live on one story. It is a very simple, seamless design. The construction, I think, is very good, as the starting prices of these properties are from $274,000, and that is for 2-bedroom, as they do have various models. So I do think that it's worth checking our website and looking at those finer details, which is Spainhomes.estate. If you do like the listing, you want to know more, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Also, please feel free to hit us in the comments. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you again. Basking in the sun in Calasparra. I will see you next time. Hasta pronto.